Once again, for Rukla and Miss Ira to award the fourth runner-up. To be followed immediately by the third runner-up. So yan. Yung third runner-up ang mag-award po ay si... Ang third runner-up ang mag-award po ay si Mang Belania Kasim at si Sir Tony. Of course, para naman sa ating third runner-up, we have our national Sir Anthony. Ladies and gentlemen, ang ating fourth runner-up, shift for music po. Ladies and gentlemen, ito na po ang awarding ceremony. Let's start off with our fourth runner-up. Your Mr. Shirley fourth runner-up, partner.
Okay, ang ating Mr. CRT 2013 fourth runner-up is none other than candidate number 11, Mark April Domingo.
Congratulations, Mark April, your Mr. Shirley 2018 fourth runner-up. At ngayon, to join me with ang ating Miss CRT fourth runner-up naman ay walang iba mag-isi. Congratulations, candidate number 9, Raylene Alfaro. You are fourth runner-up. May we request ng natin na sa ranking para sa kasunod po. Tandaan ninyo, ang mananalong Mr. and Miss CRT ay pupunta ng Cebu at Bohol!
Wow!
Kapag sa premyo na ibigay, of course, ng ating mga judges and sponsors. Maraming salamat po sa GBS Cebu Bowl Experience para sa Mr. and Miss CRT.
Thank you very much.
Ma'am Lani, request from Eloy and Sir Anthony para sa ating third runner-up. Ayan, at siyempre, partner, to proceed ang ating third runner-up together with Sir Anthony. Ang Mandoy will be awarding ng lead. Nasa na po ang i-award ng Mandoy?
Our Mr. CRT 2013 third runner-up is none other than candidate number 12, Philippine Brown.
At para sa mga si Philip, Of course, para naman sa ating Mr. and Miss CRT second runner-up.
Our Mr. CRT 2013 second runner-up is none other than candidate number candidate number 3, Giancarlo Borromeo.
Para sa mga sponsors, ang ating Miss CRT second runner-up ay si candidate number 11, Shanti Rose. At para sa ating first runner-up, we request si Sir Kristen and Miss Cherry Ann once again. At syempre yung ating Mr. and Miss Cherry Lee, to be awarded by Sir Emmanuel Willan, to be assisted by Miss Melissa Lee and Mr. Redel Lucito. Sa punto pong ito, iniling natin ang final two candidates ng male at female. So please step forward dun sa harap ng kamay. Yung final two. Please proceed forward. Okay na po tayo dyan. Yung final two, yung iba. Hindi na po tayo sa puntong pinapakabangan natin.
Sino ang mag-uuwi ng corona? Candidate number 1. What number?
Sa puntong ito, makinig po tayo mabuti. Ang una kong babanggitin ay ang first runner-up. Sa mga iwit, kung sino ang maiiwan na hindi nabanggit, ay siyang nangaling Mr. and Miss CRT 2015.
Ito po ang pinaka-aabangan ng lahat.
Mag-umpisa tayo sa first runner-up ng Mr. category. Partner?
My goodness.
Ulitin ko, kung sino man yung mababanggit, siya yung first runner-up na hindi mababanggit siya Mr. or Miss CRT. Tandaan niyo ang lahat ng final 5, final 10 ay meron scholarship na-excel mula sa College for Research and Technology. 100% discount ang makukuha ng Mr. and Miss CRT. Umpisa natin ang ating Mr. CRT first runner-up. First runner-up, partner.
Our Mr. CRT 2013 first runner-up is none other than
CRT at sino ang inyong first runner-up? Ladies and gentlemen, ang inyong Miss CRT 2013 first runner-up. Unang runner-up ang magiging ay ang aming Miss CRT. Ang Miss CRT 2013 first runner-up ay walang iba kundi walang iba kundi si Miss Jobel Castro. Yes, tama tayo naman ngayon this year ang nanalong Mr. and Miss CRT. Congratulations, palakpakan namin ang bagong gira ng Mr. and Miss CRT 2013. We have, of course, Ate Figuera and Mary Grace.
Merry Christmas, hindi pa tayo na yung mami mo.
Sir Eman, please assist in the awarding together with Mr. and Mr.
Wow!
At ito na po ang tulungan niya na pag-usawi na. O talaga. Congratulations sa lahat ng mga natin. Moving to that, alam ba natin, Miss Mary Grace and Mr. Alfie? Of course. Mr. Yun. For Alfie. Picture tayo ng Mr. Mary 2012 and 2013. Congratulations. Yan. At yun, Mr.
Kaya ka nang nakukulat. Hawag na lang.
Kaya together with the other side, huwag muna kayong aalis, ha? Mr.
Ikaw, punta na lang si Mary Chris.